In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a fully functional process using Microsoft Power Automate or Copilot workflow interface. We'll explore from startup to activation, ensuring you get the most from this powerful tool. First, let's dive into the interface. Opening Microsoft Power Automate or Copilot involves locating the application on your device or accessing it through your web browser. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout. This will be your control center for creating automated processes. It's a robust environment that grants you the flexibility to connect various applications and automate repetitive tasks, all within one streamlined dashboard. Next, think about what triggers you'd like to use. A trigger is an event that kickstarts your workflow. Common examples include receiving an email, adding a new file, or a calendar event reaching its start time. Identifying the right trigger is crucial as it directly influences how and when your workflow initiates, ensuring your automation runs seamlessly. After you've determined the trigger for your workflow, it's time to specify the actions you want Copilot to perform automatically. Visualize the tasks you want completed and the order in which they should occur. For example, upon receiving an email, you might need to extract certain information, archive the message, and send a follow-up email. Microsoft Power Automate allows you to define these actions with precision, reducing the need for manual intervention and minimizing the risk of errors. The next step is one of the most exciting aspects, using Copilot to generate workflow steps. Copilot is an intelligent assistant that simplifies creating complex workflows by suggesting and generating actions based on your needs. Engage with Copilot by providing clear instructions. It will interpret and offer tailored solutions to meet your automation requirements. This step involves a bit of fine-tuning to get it just right, so feel free to iterate on Copilot's suggestions until your workflow aligns with your tasks. With your workflow constructed, it's crucial to conduct thorough testing. Testing ensures everything operates as you intend and allows you to spot any glitches before going live. Execute your workflow under controlled conditions to observe its behavior. Pay close attention to each step, verifying that all actions occur in the right sequence and produce expected outcomes. This diligence upfront saves time and resources later on. Finally, after successful testing, it's time to activate your workflow. Activation is the moment where theory meets practice, enabling the system to operate automatically based on your triggers and actions. Once activated, your workflow will proceed according to its setup, liberating you from routine tasks and enhancing productivity. And that's it! You've successfully set up your automated process